You've probably been driving your Mercedes for years, and you're still not using some of its most useful features. Not because they're hidden in menus, but because Mercedes never explains them clearly. Today, I'm breaking down 10 Mercedes functions that most owners never discover. Some make daily driving easier, some prevent expensive mistakes. And the final one is something even long-time Mercedes owners almost always miss. Number 1. The brake hold system. Imagine sitting at a lengthy traffic signal or crawling through heavy congestion without constantly pressing the brake pedal. This intelligent system keeps your Mercedes firmly in place after a full stop. In the majority of modern Mercedes models, simply apply strong, decisive pressure to the brake pedal once you've halted completely, a firm push rather than a light squeeze. A hold indicator will appear on the dashboard display, signaling that the electronic brakes are now engaged. You can now relax your foot entirely, the vehicle won't creep forward, and your rear brake lights remain illuminated to alert trailing drivers. The moment you touch the gas pedal, it smoothly disengages. This reduces leg strain on extended pauses and eliminates those unexpected forward jolts when your attention drifts. Note that availability depends on your specific year, model, and equipment package. Consult your owner's manual for the precise activation method on your car. Number 2. Remote window and sunroof ventilation, summer opening, convenience closing. On scorching days, wouldn't it be great to ventilate your interior before stepping inside? Many Mercedes models support remote control of windows and the sunroof via the key fob, often through an infrared receiver built into the driver's door handle. Aim the fob directly at that sensor area, then press and hold the unlock button. The windows and sunroof, if equipped, will lower fully. To reverse the action and seal everything up, repeat the process, but hold the lock button instead. Timing matters. Keep holding until the motion completes, or it may pause midway. For vehicles with the latest MBUX infotainment and connected services, this convenience has shifted to the Mercedes Me mobile app, allowing you to operate the feature from anywhere with your smartphone. It's ideal for airing out a stuffy cabin after parking in the sun or quickly cooling things down. Always double-check that everything is securely closed afterward for security and weather protection. Number 3. Tunnel mode, rapid cabin isolation. Encountering smoky exhaust, roadwork dust, or a poorly ventilated tunnel. There's a fast way to protect your interior air quality. Instead of a single tap on the air recirculation button, press and hold it for a few seconds. This triggers tunnel mode, which immediately switches to full recirculation, simultaneously raising any lowered windows and closing the sunroof. When conditions improve, hold the button again. The system often restores the windows and sunroof to their exact previous positions, though this memory capability can vary by model year. It's a brilliant example of Mercedes anticipating those sudden moments when you need instant protection from outside odors or pollutants, all accomplished with one prolonged button press. Number 4. Automatic rain-activated sunroof closure. Few things are worse than returning to a soaked interior after an unexpected shower. Certain Mercedes models with rain-sensing wipers include an automatic feature that detects rainfall while the vehicle is parked and locked, then partially or fully closes the sunroof to prevent water ingress. The same sensors that trigger your wipers monitor moisture levels. In some configurations, the sunroof may only tilt or move to a safe intermediate position to avoid pinching hazards if anything obstructs the path. This is a deliberate safety priority. You can confirm if your car has this by checking the vehicle settings menu for an automatic closing or similar rain-related option. It's pure Mercedes foresight, solving a common parking mishap automatically. Number 5. Residual heat, rest function. In chilly weather, why waste the warmth your engine has already generated? The rest, or residual heat mode, lets you enjoy lingering engine warmth for cabin heating even after shutting off the ignition, ideal for short stops during winter errands. First, ensure the engine has reached full operating temperature. Short trips won't provide enough heat. Once parked, access the rest option through the climate control panel or menu. The blower will circulate the stored hot coolant for up to 30 minutes, or until heat diminishes. A smart safeguard monitors battery levels and deactivates the system if voltage drops too low, preserving starting reliability. This eco-friendly approach recycles energy you'd otherwise lose, keeping the cabin comfortable without restarting the engine. Number 6. Direct smartphone assistant access. Prefer Siri or Google Assistant over the built-in "Hey Mercedes" voice system? You can skip the car's assistant entirely. On MBX-equipped models, the steering wheel voice button serves dual purposes. A quick tap wakes the Mercedes system, while a longer hold connects straight to your smartphone's assistant via Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, or Android Auto. You'll notice a distinct chime when your phone's assistant activates, confirming it's listening through the car's speakers and microphone. Ensure your phone settings allow voice commands while locked and grant necessary permissions. This flexibility respects your preference for familiar voice tech, making interactions feel more natural. Number 7. Fuel cap holder. Refueling should never risk your paintwork, and Mercedes agrees. On models equipped with a traditional removable fuel cap, common in pre-capless designs, the fuel door includes a built-in holder, often a small molded cradle clip or pinhole setup right on the inside of the door itself. Next time you pop open the filler flap at the pump, look closely. The cap is engineered to snap or rest securely into this spot instead of swinging freely on its tether. This keeps it completely away from your fender's finish, eliminating those frustrating swirl marks or chips that happen when the cap dangles and bumps around. The design positions it perfectly so it doesn't interfere with the nozzle either, giving you full, easy access. This thoughtful detail shines in older gasoline models without capless fillers and some diesels with similar setups. Newer vehicles often skip it for the no-cap system. If yours has a screw-off cap, odds are this holder is waiting to be used. It's classic Mercedes attention to the little things that preserve your car's pristine appearance over years of routine fills. Number 8. Adaptive Cruise Speed Sync, Distronic with traffic sign recognition. Highway driving gets a lot smoother when your Distronic adaptive cruise control can automatically match detected speed limits. This clever integration relies on the car's front-facing cameras, part of Traffic Sign Assist, working alongside Distronic hardware. As you cruise, the system reads road signs and displays the current limit on your instrument cluster. When a change appears, like a drop or increase in the posted speed, many models let you confirm and apply it instantly, often with a quick double tap on the Cruise Resume I Set button on the steering wheel. Your set speed updates seamlessly to the new limit without manual tweaks. The dashboard preview gives you a chance to double-check for accuracy before committing. Super useful since cameras can occasionally misinterpret faded, temporary, or confusing signage. Think construction zones or cluttered urban exits. It performs best on clearly marked highways, but might need more driver oversight in cities with overlapping or obscured signs. Always stay vigilant and verify the reading. This feature turns adaptive cruise into an even more intuitive companion for long-distance travel. Number 9. Hidden trunk floor. Hook accessing the spare tire well or under-trunk storage shouldn't mean wrestling with a floppy floor panel. Tucked away on the underside of your trunk's removable floor cover is a discreet plastic hook or tab. Many owners miss it entirely. Lift the panel, then clip this small hook onto the trunk's upper weather stripping or edge trim. It props the cover upright and holds it firmly in place, preventing it from slamming back down while you're swapping a tire, grabbing the toolkit, or organizing deeper storage. The design is sturdy enough to stay put even if you're shifting luggage around. Not every Mercedes has this exact setup. Vehicles with run-flat tires, hybrid battery layouts, or modern space-saver alternatives might skip it. But if your model includes a full-size or temporary spare under the floor, this handy tab is likely there. It's a brilliant low-effort fix to a common frustration, showing how Mercedes thinks about real-world usability. Number 10. Automatic reverse mirror tilt, passenger side dip. Parallel parking or tight reversing just got safer and cheaper on your wallet. This feature automatically angles the passenger side exterior mirror downward when you shift into reverse, giving a clear view of the curb and rear wheel to prevent expensive curb rash on your rims or tires. Activation is straightforward and depends on the mirror control switch, usually on the driver's door. Set the selector to the passenger side, shift into reverse, and manually fine-tune the mirror angle to your preferred position, ideally showing both the curb and wheel. Shift back to park. The car memorizes that spot. From then on, every time you reverse, the mirror dips precisely to that saved angle and snaps back to normal when you shift out. On the latest M-Bucks equipped models, you might find a simple on-off toggle in the comfort or vehicle settings menu instead of manual programming. This prevents costly damage. New wheels and tires can run into the hundreds or thousands, making it one of the most practical money savers in your Mercedes. These additional hidden gems highlight why Mercedes ownership feels special. The brand anticipates everyday hassles and builds in elegant solutions that require no extra cost or effort. Grab your keys, head out to your car, and experiment with the ones that match your model. You'll likely walk away impressed by the thoughtfulness that went into these details. Mercedes isn't just about luxury, it's about making every drive more effortless, protected, and enjoyable.